Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Guys, I want you to see this video and tell me what you think.
Rova chidamuka yazoti serious. Rova. Kana kuchishirita chede mubariketu. Rova iwe. Rova drive. Mutume. Iwe. Ai ndo famisa mpurisa ndikatsika na maro. Drive Rova.
Excuse me, sorry about the
Get away. Stay
You guys saw the video. Tell me what you think. This bus driver didn't think of his license, didn't think of his family, didn't think of anything, just because those other idiots were telling him what to do. Conductor got no license. Windy, the loader got no license. And you're listening to them. Now, one, the bosses are not going to be happy with him. That's his job finished. His license is going to be taken away from him straight away. And that's it. He will never drive a bus again. 3, the guy is going to jail. He hit a police car. And you're in a foreign land, you're in South Africa. Guys, when you're employing these people, teach them how to be professional. When I saw that video, oh my God. Anyway, that's me out, guys.